When the work you do is life-enhancing, when it even has the power to save lives, rely on medical device solutions you can trust. We know that your medical devices are evolving, ever more complex, smaller yet more powerful, smarter yet more intricate, safer yet more regulated. As your device designs have advanced, so have our LOCTITE solutions, pioneering innovation, decades of expertise, high-performing adhesives and equipment. We form strong bonds. Bonds that advance your medical devices. Bonds that connect us. Bonds that withstand the test of time. Let us be your trusted partner. And together, we can bring your medical devices to life.